Somewhere these people did not get the health and safety memo about the danger of fireworks.
Wir können ja hier ein bisschen rüber.
Wine bottle.
Ja, hat ja, damit wir nicht die Autos treffen.
Nee, aber da müssen wir aufpassen, dass da keine Autos kommen.
We're worried about the cars. We're not worried about.
Das hier ist ein guter Platz. Da sind wir weit weg.
Okay, du gehst du mal rüber zu hier, du kannst jetzt mal mit dem Streichholz.
Hier sind die Streichhölzer. Ich habe hier noch einen.
Go, go! Holy shit! Oh, that's pretty good. 11:15, and everybody is getting their firework stuff on. I mean, it's ridiculous.
It's been going on for
For the last like 6 hours, everybody has been lighting fireworks throughout the entire city. It's almost like it seems crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Okay, here we have on the street, nice neighborhood. People leaving their fireworks on the road. And also, over here is a Christmas tree. People just, yeah, we're just gonna throw a tree on the side of the road. Interesting. Here's the aftermath of fireworks. The roads are just covered in shit. Huh. I suppose maybe the refugees will come clean it up, but I guess it all gets cleaned up, which is kind of interesting.